Assalamu alaikum one class. How are you all? Hope so you are all fine and ready for today's lecture. Firstly, you have to open your English workbook, page number 41. Our today's topic is word antonyms. As you know all that antonym mean opposite of any word like cold, hot, thanda, garam. Start your work with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Firstly, you have to write date and day at the top of the page. Workbook page number 41 contains two parts. First part is, let's read, circle the antonym of the first word in each row. We have to circle the correct antonym of the given words. First word is laugh. Laugh means hansna. Three words are given. Cry, rona. Sleep, sona. And live, rena. Its correct antonym is cry. So you have to circle the word cry. Second word is early. Early means jaldi. Then its correct antonym will be late. Late means der se. Circle the word late. Third word is day. Day means din. Then its correct antonym is night. Night means raat. So circle the word night. Number fourth is high. And its correct antonym is low. Number fifth, front. Front means samne. Its correct antonym is back. Piche. Circle the word back. Number six, buy. Buy means kharidna. And its correct antonym is sell. Sell means bechna. Circle the word sell. And last one is angry. Angry means gusse mein. And its correct antonym is happy. Means khush. Now we are moving towards second part of the page. Read it. Opposites are given in the picture. Guess them and write over the box. Two boxes are given. We have to see the boxes. The first image is, you can say it's happy. So you have to write the word happy at the top of the picture. And on right side, what you can guess, how emoji is like this? This is angry. So you have to write word angry at the top of the picture. Second pictures are, this is looking at glass and something is in the glass. So you have to write the word in at the top of the glass. And on right side, something is outside the glass. So you have to write the word opposite of in, and the opposite of word in is out. So write out at the top of the glass. And third one, last one, glass. The glass is empty. So you have to write a word empty at the top of the glass. And on right side, the glass is full. So you have to write word full at the top of the glass. Words antonym completed. Now read the last line. Think up three pairs of antonym that are not on this page. It's your home task. You have to write three words antonyms, and after writing that word antonym, you have to share the pictures in the group. I'll check. Stay blessed. Goodbye, students.